2020. What an unusual year. Let's make some unusual dishes. First one is my main course with cauliflower. And more traditional, my dessert with white chocolate. Let's get making the dessert. For the main part of my dessert, you will need 100 grams of white chocolate and 50 grams of Rice Krispies. We're going to chop up the white chocolate using my knife. This will be sharp. Keep your fingers well away. Then put it into your bowl and continue with the rest of the chocolate. Let's melt the chocolate. You'll need a saucepan and pour some water in. And put the bowl on top, and then you'll need to put this on the hob on a low heat to melt. You'll need a grown-up helper, definitely, to get this off the hob as it's hot. Then you'll need to pour in your Rice Krispies and mix it up. Use Morrison's Own Petit Four cases to make my snowman. Got a teaspoon. Let's pour them in to these mini cases to make delicious snowmen. As you can see here, my plate is full of Rice Krispies. Let's put it in the fridge for 10 minutes. To stick these two sides of the snowman together, you'll need 60 grams of white chocolate. I've chopped this up and going to melt it the same way as before. You'll need a grown-up helper to help you with this. I have melted the white chocolate. I'm going to take my Rice Krispies out of the cases. They're not particularly round or anything, but they will make some unusual shaped snowmen. And let's turn them over and stick them together with some chocolate. Drizzle as much chocolate as you can just to cover the seam so they stick together. These snowmen need 20 minutes in the fridge so the chocolate can harden. For this main course, you're going to need 240 grams of cauliflower, a pinch of pepper, handful of coriander, 2 olives, 1 slice of carrot, half a cup of cheese and 2 sausages. Let's make my savoury snowman. I've got my steamer and I'm going to put my cauliflower in and put this on for 10 minutes. I've already got the steamer base with water in ready on the hob. I have just put my frying pan on a medium heat, ready to put my sausages in. Cooking these for 4 minutes and then turning them over. My scissors are sharp, so you might need a grown-up helper to help you with this. I'm going to cut up the coriander, finely chopping it as fine as I can. I've got a hand blender ready to blend up my cauliflower. I'll need a grown-up helper to help me with this as there's steam coming from the cauliflower. It's very, very hot. We'll need to divide this cauliflower into 3. There's 240 grams of cauliflower in here. That means there will be 240 divided by 3 equals 80. Let's weigh out 80 grams. With each bowl of cauliflower, I'm going to add something different. First one, I'm going to add pepper to look like mud in the snow. Mix that up. I'm going to add the chopped up coriander to look like grass in the snow. The last one, I'm going to add cheese. Who doesn't like cheesy cauliflower? I have got a cup ready to put my piping bag in, and then fold the top of the piping bag over the top. This will make it easier to put in my cauliflower. Ready to pipe it. Cheesy cauliflower done in the piping bag, and let's just twist the end and leave it to one side. Do the same with the next cauliflower. I've got my cup. I'm going to put my piping bag in the middle and fold it over the edges and spoon it in with my spoon. This is the one with coriander. And remembering to shape it down and twist the end of the piping bag. And let's do it to the last one, the one with pepper in. I have got my scissors. I'm going to cut my 2 sausages in half. Be very careful of your fingers as the scissors are sharp. Let's make these snowmen. I have cut the ends of my piping bag, and let's start with the pepper cauliflower, the bottom layer. Then I have got my coriander to make the middle. Let's just squeeze the bag. Let's make the cheesy top layer of my snowman. This is going to have a very big head. Here's the head, and I'm going to cut this sausage in half to make the arms. Let's put the arms down here, and let's use this as the scarf. And I've got 2 little bits of carrot as the eyes, and then a carrot nose somehow. Don't really know, let's just use it there. And let's put some 2 buttons on, olives, and this is my snowman. Let's see if you can make a better snowman. Now let's go on to making my sweet snowman. Let's finish this. Here's 60 grams of melted chocolate put into a piping bag. Let's make the eyes and buttons of my snowman, and a mouth if you like. Remembering to cut the end of the piping bag. And this snowman is broken, so we'll use some dark chocolate to fix it together, making this my scarf. They don't look very snowman-like, but I think they will taste delicious no matter what. There's my finished snowman. Remember, you need to put the snowman in the fridge for 5 minutes to set the chocolate.